Today I want to share a good news to you. Here is an extension wire for solar floodlight, and you know there is many places are not so good cover the sunshine well, and now you will need the wire to meet your requirement. And you can see here are 5 meters long the wire. And now I show you how to connect it. And here are the wire original for solar floodlight. Here, connect with the solar panel. Yeah. And this side for the light. Here. And you can see we have many power from 10 volt, 25 volt, 40 volt, 60 volt, 100 volt, 120 volt, and the biggest power 200 volt. And this cable all meant for this power, and you can use for a long distance. Thank you.